Sophie, honey, relax. It's like the 4th time you've told me that. Come here. Come here. Come get him. Lexi, come here. Come here. Yes. There you go. I feel bad. She's so gross. Come here, bud. Yeah, there you go. Go backwards. Yes, good big girl. Come on over. Come on over. Good job. There you go. You did it. Come on.
Put some sponges on her knees and hands and just have her wash the floor.
Almost, baby. Almost there. Good job, Bella. Yay, Lexi. You did it. Yay, Lexi Bell.
Oh no.
Got it.